In order to give your hair the love it deserves, here are 10 incredible ways you can make a difference. Number 1. Say no to sulfates and their damaging effects on both your hair and scalp. These harsh chemicals can leave your precious strands dehydrated, dry, and frizzy. Never forget the conditioner. Always detangle with conditioner on, starting at the ends and working your way up gently. Say goodbye to the conventional towel because it rubs, produces fairy knots and tangles. Say hello to a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, both great options for effectively reducing excess moisture. Remember not to wash it with very hot water. You'll dry out scalp and hair and cause hair loss. Apply masks constantly. It can be once, twice, or 3 times a week, depending on the needs of your hair. Make frequent and constant bluntings. Monitoring the condition of your hair by feeling the tips is key in determining when it's time for a trim. If you notice tangles, knots, or split ends, it's a clear sign that a trim is needed. Protect it when you sleep by using a silk cap or a pillowcase. Another beneficial practice is scalp massages, which not only provide a moment of relaxation and indulgence, but also promote hair growth and enhance scalp circulation. Accept it and love it as it is.